Y'all know what we doing here, man. It's another How to Style. Everybody, welcome to Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I appreciate every one of you guys, man. The Sachs Booooring shoe came out with their third colorway. I did all three reviews. You could go check them out in the archives. This one falls maybe last. I'm not gonna lie. I like the Travis Scott brown look, but I was digging the yellow ones, and the blue ones was more of a boring everyday shoe, similar to the Wave Runner, so that probably will go above these. But the all brown silhouette is dope. It's just third place. But being that it's a boring shoe, all brown, I'm gonna put together some fire streetwear pieces to kind of bring out the boring, to make it pop a little more, man. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So, you know we usually start with essentials. Not this time, but the Dark Harvest Brown is a perfect match to this. They even got a colorway called Wood that you could get along with this too, but I feel like we did essentials too much, even though this brown hat here from Essentials is a perfect match to the Sachs joints. Strap back says Essential. $50, probably could get it lower on sale somewhere at PacSun maybe, but this is a dead-on match. But I'm gonna go to something else. Yes, sir. This is a Chinatown. They're known as the Market now. Let's get that out the way. But this is when they were called Chinatown, and this is a brown sweatsuit, all brown, with the pink Chinatown logo. I brought them to match my Travis Scott Jordan 1s. Once you put the pink laces in, it's a perfect match. But I put them side by side with the Sachs joints, and the match is perfect also because it's all brown. And that pink just highlights and make a boring shoe pop by adding a different color, especially a color like pink. The good news about this sweatsuit is that it's thick, great material. Shout out to the Market for that. And it's inexpensive. I think the sweatsuit is under $120 together. And that's the hoodie and the sweatpants. The sweatpants say Chinatown Market also on the bottom. And also you got your jogger material. Look at the bottom. No one's wearing sweats without the jogger no more, I think. But yeah, perfect match, man, to complement the boring shoe. Boring. And I told y'all in the beginning of the video, if we talking brown, we talking Cactus Jack, we talking Travis Scott. This right here is the Astro World. I think this is either the Fortnite or the PlayStation. I think it's the Fortnite joint. PlayStation look, hoodie, all brown, man. All brown hoodie, so the match is perfect. The drawstrings are black, matching the bottom of the Sachs joints. In the back, you get it to pop with a nice purple Astro World logo, huge or astronomical. Astronomical Fortnite logos, whole bunch of logos down there. Perfect match. You could get this off third-party StockX for under $100. The Fortnite joints was fire, but they made a lot of Fortnite stuff, and I think people just wanted the action figure. But the hoodie's dope. And let's stay astronomical. Another Travis Scott special. Brown tee, astronomical. Oh, you would make the boring shoe not boring no more with all this on the background. I'm not going to lie. But the front of the shirt is regular. I think it says Cactus Jack. It says Cactus Jack in some kind of, I don't know if it's French. I don't know that language. But all brown tee, nice material. One thing about Travis Scott merch, sometimes you get a bad tee, man. Collar or, y'all know if you brought Travis Scott. This one was well put together. The back has a Fortnite skin Travis Scott brown, also matching the Sachs joint. Very busy on the back, and that's why I really like this tee. I promise y'all, this is the last Travis Scott tee. The Cactus Jack Travis Scott tee, brown colorway, big Cactus Jack logo on the back. But the front is what makes it so dope because it's Nike Jordan. The Tom Sachs Nike Craft shoe is a Nike sneaker. You match it with the Nike, perfect match. This one is very, very affordable, being that it's deemed Nike and not just Travis Scott merch. So you can get this on third party also. Off Travis Scott, but still staying McDonald's, I know guys, is the Cactus Flea Plant Market CPFM and McDonald's collab from earlier this year or late last year. People are just starting to get their merch. But I like this tee. Yes, there's no brown in it, but it's all black. And the name of the tee is called the Coffee Stirrer tee. So if you ever got the Coffee Stirrer from McDonald's, it looks just like this. McDonald's crown at the top. There go the Coffee Stirrer. And you think of coffee, you think of brown. So that's why I thought about this. These shirts, this whole merch McDonald's collab is all on StockX and GOAT. Prices vary, man. It's not the most popular thing CPMFM did, but I think it's the most unique. Let's go to my friends at Kith, and this is the Kith for the Wire Omar tee. I like this match because the melanin of Omar, RIP Michael K, matches the Tom Sachs joint perfect. Whether the swoosh or the outside of the shoe, this match is perfect. And it's a Kith iconic The Wire show, and it's made in Peru. It's Kith, guys. It's not a lot to say about this. I seen this tee on StockX for $130. I think retail was $75, so not that bad, especially if you're a fan of The Wire. RIP Black Mamba, man. I like the way this tee matches with the Tom Sachs joints. This is a Nike shirt also, and it just shows all Kobe's rings and all his injuries to his finger. Super dope. I know if you're trying to get this shirt, they're going to tax you, man. They got a Mamba logo there. Ever since Kobe died, people been wilding and using it as some kind of financial gain. But I'm a huge Kobe fan, man. And I'm going to rock this shirt proudly with the Tom Sachs joints. Just super dope. All 5 rings, all his injuries. Crazy. And every time I think of Kobe, I think of the Lakers. And this Mitchell & Ness tee is dope. Not a spot-on match, but the sand brown look pops the sneaker off. Especially with the Laker gold and purple with the nice Murakami look flowers around it. Mitchell & Ness Hardwood Classic. Super dope, man. Retail was cheap. $38, guys. That's a steal where I come from. I probably should have did this when I did the Chinatown Market sweatsuit. But from the market again is the Neither Hand tee. And both hands complement the Tom Sachs sneaker. The dark brown one, the light brown one, dope match. And it's just a dope graphic tee, man. Helps pop that sneaker off, making it not boring. Retail on this was $53. The Neither Hand tee. And they just restocked this. I got an email last week, Chinatown Market. The market restocked a whole bunch of graphic tees. Hats. This one on my right I really like. I think they call it Desert Camel. But it's a Supreme hat, Desert Camel look. Got a red box logo on the front. The strap back, leather back is brown. So it's a dead-on match for me. The Diamondbacks hat here. It's like a brown gold look. I usually wear this with my Travis Scotts also, so I know it could double down with the Tom Sachs. Bronze, brown, gold, Atlanta Braves fitted. I like the match, man, so that's why I'm showing it. Yes, sir. So it's just a quick how to style on the Tom Sachs brown coffee bean. I forgot the name. It was a crazy name, but you could check out my review of the sneaker in its totality. Looks like a nice candy bar in my opinion, man. So I gave y'all some heat to match these joints the perfect way. I tried to make it like more of just comfort Like, cause this is a comfortable shoe, general purpose. I didn't try to do nothing outlandish. Just something you could be comfortable with, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.